Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301729, and this is a 2026 Sierra 1500 Crew Cab Denali Ultimate. Our color is downpour metallic. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got. Power windows, mirrors with folding mirrors, power locks, memory seat with a power driver seat and lumbar support. We've got our parking brake, 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting controls, the HUD with HUD settings, a power telescopic steering wheel, which also includes forward collision alert, cruise control settings. We are super cruise ready as well. Hands-free stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready, push start ignition, electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats, a heated steering wheel as well. Got our lane keep assist, parking assist, auto start stop, tailgate release, traction control and hill descent control, push start ignition, trailer brake, and an automatic transmission. We are also OnStar ready. Sunroof and rear window controls with garage door openers. And our interior color is Alpine Umber. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, the 60/40 split bench seat, which also comes heated, a couple of USB ports for your rear passengers, and some extra storage compartments for you. And onto our exterior. Retractable running boards. We've got 22-inch GMC rims, a tailgate step with the rear parking aid, a multi-gate tailgate with a rear view camera, which is also fog released, a spray-on box liner, and there you go guys, that's stock number 301729. You've just checked out this downpour metallic 2026 Sierra 1500 Crew Cab Denali Ultimate. Thanks for watching.